Hi, to enable and disable mobile data on Samsung Galaxy S25, just open your phone settings and of course make sure that SIM card is inserted in the phone and then find Connections tab. After that, you would need to choose Data Usage and here is Mobile Data. So if you can see that the switcher is gray, then it is turned off. To turn on, tap on it like this so it will become blue. And also corresponding icon will appear in the upper right corner in status bar, but to see it I need to disable Wi-Fi. And yes, here it is, 5G. If you want to switch to 4G, for example, go back in Connections, choose Mobile Networks, go in Network mode and set preferred network, either 4G, 5G, or 3G. And then you should see corresponding icon in the upper right corner. And another way how you can enable or disable mobile data is by swiping down from upper right corner to trigger Control Center. Then swipe down again, and here it is. If you can see that icon is white, then mobile data is on. And to disable, tap it once, so it would become black. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.